How to replace the POGO cable. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the position of the POGO connector cable for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the POGO ZIF connector and disconnect the POGO ribbon cable from the motherboard. Remove the POGO ribbon cable from the adhesive on the display enclosure. Remove the two 2.5 mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the POGO connector to the display enclosure. Carefully slide the POGO connector out of the cutouts in the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the POGO cable.